It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, let's go, guys. So this is going to be a quick DIY. It is a succulent planner DIY that can be used all year round or displayed all year round. So basically all I'm doing is taking this metal flower pot. This is the one that you will see at the Dollar Tree that has the gold writing that says Flores, I think it is. And I just basically took some of that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink, and I painted the entire pot in that color. And as you can see in the clip, I am adding a piece of that burlap ribbon that you can find at the Dollar Tree to the center of this pot. And then you'll see me take some sisal rope and just go around the edges of the ribbon just to give it a clean look. And that's going to be pretty much it for the center part of this piece. But guys, I just want to welcome everyone back to my channel. I want to welcome all of the new subscribers to the channel. I really appreciate you all from clicking on that subscribe button and joining the Joyful Designs family. To my returning subscribers, thank you all so much. Thank you for your thoughts and your prayers while I've been, pretty much recuperating from shoulder surgery. I really appreciate your thoughts and prayers. And I just want to actually thank again my husband, Uncle T, here on YouTube at Winning Solutions for You, for all the awesome care that he's has done for me while I was down and out. I'm feeling much better. So as you can see, I've taken 3 of those buttons that you can find at the Dollar Tree. They are usually kept in the front near the registers, and I just added 3 in a vertical pattern. Now you see me taking some of that harder foam brick that you can also find at the Dollar Tree. This is the circular ones. And I glued it down to the bottom of the pot. I was going to actually do a different design. And then I decided to add some of that Spanish moss and add some succulents that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. The moss did come from Michael's. And that is the project, guys. I think it turned out very cute. If you know me, I love a good succulent planner, and I had to add one to this fall lineup because this is one project that is versatile for all seasons, regardless of whether it's summer, spring, fall, or winter. It's just a matter of you can just add some different embellishments to it to accommodate whatever season you're in. But for me, I'm just leaving it as is. And now guys, we're at the reveal. I think this turned out super amazing, and you see that I've styled it with those pumpkins that I created on the channel. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick DIY. Again, thank you for your thoughts and prayers, and thank you for just being a part of my YouTube family. And I pray that you guys continue to enjoy your weekend, and make sure that if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, you do so. Until the next DIY.